Dear principal, teachers, and my dear friends.
A warm welcome to everyone gathered here for today's special Environment Day Assembly.
Nature gives us everything: fresh air, clean water, food, and a beautiful world to live in. So let us celebrate this day with a profound sense of gratitude and a renewed commitment to preserving the beauty and harmony of our planet for generations to come.
But today, our planet is facing a serious climate crisis because of pollution, deforestation, and global warming.
So let us come together to spread awareness and take a pledge to protect our Mother Earth.
Our theme for today is Combating the Climate Crisis.
Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th across the world.
Now, let us begin today's program with a warm welcome speech.
To welcome everyone formally, I invite Samad for the welcome speech.
Thank you for the wonderful and inspiring welcome speech.
A meaningful thought that can inspire us to do great things.
Now, I invite Gagandeep to share the song for the day.
Thank you for the thoughtful message reminding us to protect our planet.
Did you know that one small environmental action can create a big change?
Now let us listen to some amazing environmental facts presented by our friends.
One tree can absorb around 22 kilograms of carbon dioxide every year. Around 8 million tons of plastic enters ocean every year. Turning off unused lights can reduce pollution and saves energy. Recycling one plastic bottle saves enough energy to power a bulb for hours. The amazing The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of world's oxygen. Thank you. Thank you. Those facts clearly show why saving environment is so important. Music speaks the language of heart, and this next performance is sure to touch your hearts. Please welcome our talented performers with a huge round of applause.
Nature speaks silently through rivers, trees, winds, and seasons.
Sadly, nature is suffering because of human activities.
To talk more about this important issue, I invite Purvika for the nature talk.
Thank you for the meaningful words about protecting nature and fighting climate change.
Music has the power to touch our hearts and spread the messages beautifully.
Now let us enjoy a meaningful English song dedicated to our Mother Earth.
Now I invite our friends to present the English environment song.
Thank you for the wonderful performance. Wonderful performance. Let us all remember the beautiful message shared through the song.
Do you know climate change is not the story for the future? It is happening right now through floods, heat waves, pollution, and disappearing forests.
What if Mother Earth could speak to us directly? What would rivers, winds, trees, and even the sun tell us?
To answer these questions, our friends are presenting the powerful skit titled The
The
Mission
mission
to
to
Save
save
Earth,
Earth,
a
a
cry
cry
for
for
help.
help. So let us welcome and please watch carefully and think about the message hidden inside it.
Good morning, everyone. Today we bring before you not just a story, but a warning. A warning from our only home, our planet Earth. The climate crisis is no longer a distant danger. It is happening around us every single day. Floods, heat waves, droughts, pollution. Nature is calling for help.
than ever. Heat waves are destroying life. People cannot even step outside safely anymore. Crops are drying under my scorching heat. This is not my anger. This is the result of pollution. Once I was pure, fresh, full of life. Now look at me, plastic, garbage, waste. I can't breathe. I can't know. Fish and sea animals are dying inside me. Factories dump waste into my water every day. If rivers die, villages, cities, and farms will suffer too. Every day, the cement workers being cut down. Without us, there is no oxygen, no life. Why are you blinded future? Birds no longer when the spaces future next. Soil becomes dry and the forest disappears. Plant one treatment and save thousands of years tomorrow. I used to be fresh and free. Now I have to carry smoke, dust, and poison. People are struggling to breathe. Children are falling sick because of polluted air. Cars and factories fill the sky with harmful gases. Clean air is everyone's right, yet it's slowly disappearing.
Did someone call for me? I'm the ruler of the waves, the king of pollution. I grow stronger every day because you humans cannot stop using plastic. You throw bottles, bags, and wrappers everywhere. Block rivers, harm animals, poison the ocean. Soon, the whole earth will belong to me. Ha 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 ha.
Because of you, my oceans are dying, animals are suffering, climate is collapsing, our balance is breaking day by day. Nature cannot survive endless pollution. Someone must act before it's too late.
ಅಮೃತ ವಿಜೇತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
No, this ends today. We can't stay silent anymore. The earth is our home and we must protect it. Small action by millions. shade, rain, and fruits. Every single child should plant and protect at least one tree. Green earth means healthy earth. Say no to plastic. Avoid single-use plastics wherever possible. Choose reusable bottles and cloth bag instead. Remember, every small habit matters. Use cloth bag. Reuse, recycle. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. Do not litter pipes, rivers, or roads. Be a part of solution, not pollution.
No, 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 stop! You're weakening me. Why are people becoming so responsible now? Your awareness is destroying my power. I cannot survive if humans change their habits.
Walk, cycle, use public transport, reduce smoke and harmful emission. Cleaner air makes a healthier communities. Let the breeze become fresh again. Use solar energy. Choose clean power. Renewable energy can save our planet. Together, we can reduce global warming. The future can still shine brightly. Every drop saved is life saved. Protect rivers, lakes, and oceans from pollution. Water is precious. Do not waste it carelessly. A clean river means a healthy future.
I'm shrinking. Your good habits are destroying me. People are finally understanding their mistakes. No, my pollution empire is collapsing.
My children, you have given me hope. Remember, the future is in your hands. Protect nature, the nature will protect you. Together we can heal this beautiful planet. Never forget, there is no planet B.
Change does not come tomorrow. It begins today with you. Every action counts, no matter how small. Let us become guardians of our earth. Let us promise to fight climate change together.
Save water and energy. Do not turn off taps and lights when not needed.
What a powerful performance. What a powerful performance.
Now let us enjoy a beautiful Kannada song dedicated to nature and our Mother Earth.
Now I invite our friends to present the Kannada environment song.
For the wonderful performance filled with love for nature. Dance is the joy of movement. Dance is the joy of movement. Let's welcome our performers to remind us to love and protect nature through dance.
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
What a wonderful performance. Now let us all take a small pledge to protect our environment.
Please everybody raise the right hand and repeat after us. I promise to protect nature. Save water. Plant trees. Avoid plastic. And keep my surroundings clean. I will do my part to make Earth a better place.
As we come to the end of today's Environment Day Assembly,
It's time to express our gratitude to everyone who made this program successful.
I invite Dokshita for the vote of thanks.
Thank you for the heartfelt vote of thanks.
Today's program reminded us that Earth does not need superheroes.
It needs responsible humans.
Let us not celebrate Environment Day only for one day.
Let's celebrate Environment Day every single